friends, welcome back to Satya Esanam. I hope you all are doing good. I am your friend Suman Yadav. If you are new to my channel and not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you will be updated whenever I post new videos. In this video, we are going to review some of the makeup products from Amazon. So without any further delay, let's get started with the video. First product of this haul is this eyeshadow palette, which is from the brand Hilary Ruda. It's a good brand actually. In this, you will get 16 eyeshadows, in which some of them are plain and some of them are glittery. You can use this eyeshadow palette as a highlighter, as a blush also. You can see this pink color, you can use this colors as a blush, and this yellow color you can use as a highlighter, and as eyeshadow you can use these colors, these dark colors. I have been using this eyeshadow since 1 month and I am very happy with this product. The cost of the product is $229, but in offer you will get it for about $167, I think, which is a good deal. I will link the product link in the description box so that you can check out from there. Okay, moving on to the second product. Just any guesses what is this? The second one is the set of brushes. You can get here 7 different set of brushes. This brush, it is used for compact powder. This you can use for eyeshadows. This here we get a tiny comb we can use here for the eyebrows. This one is a lip liner. These two I don't know for what purpose, but I have been getting this in this pouch. If you are a beginner, and I would highly recommend this product also, because I have been using, and you can see this bristles. It is so soft and it's washable also. The cost of this brushes is $260, and it is from the brand Miniso. Yeah, it's Miniso. It is a good brand actually. So if you are looking for brushes, then I would highly recommend this brush set. It is so compact, you can keep in your pouch, in your makeup pouch easily. Product of this haul is this concealer from Blue Heaven. It is the shade Caramel. You can purchase this concealer according to your skin tone. I purchased it from Amazon. I got the concealer for around 108 rupees. The actual cost of this concealer is 150, but in offer I purchased for 108 rupees. It is actually super blendable. It is easily blendable into the skin. I would recommend this product only for those who have little dark spots on the face. Product of this haul is this lipstick from Maybelline. It's Maybelline New York Sensational Liquid Matte, and it's in the shade B-Day Sweet-On. It's B-Day Sweet-On, I think you can see. And cost of this lipstick is 250 rupees, which is the offer price. The actual cost is 350 rupees. If you are a fair skin, then you can go for this color, and if you are a dusky skin, then I would not recommend this lipstick for you. You can go for some darker colors like maroon, red. I am totally disappointed with this product. Actually, it doesn't give me a matte finish. It was just sticking on my lips. So I would not recommend this product if you are dusky skin. Next product of this haul is this eye kajal from Maybelline New York Colossal Kajal. The cost of this kajal is 108 rupees, which is the offer price, and the actual price is around 120 rupees, I guess. It's very handy actually. You can use this kajal very easily. It's given that it is waterproof, but I don't think it's waterproof. It is not waterproof at all. But as a beginner, you can use this kajal. It is very handy to use, and I would recommend this kajal to you. Last and the final product of this haul is this Fit Me not foundation. It's the compact powder from Maybelline. It's in the shade Natural Ivory. If you are dusky skin, then I think you can go for this shade. The cost of this product is around 149 rupees, which is the offer price, and the actual cost is around 250 rupees. In this compact powder, you will get a small mirror along with a sponge. This compact powder gives you a good finishing, and it is oil control also. It controls the oil and sweat on our makeup. and I would recommend this product if you are a beginner. That's it for this video. If you have any comments, just leave your comments in the comment section. If you like my video, please hit the like button. Thank you for watching.